Today, we'll work on the torso. Give it. Hey guys, Tom here, and this is Not So Average Builder, and we are on part 2 of the Strike Freedom Perfect Grade build. So today I'm going to build the waist and the torso unit, along with the cockpit. It's kind of small, but we're going to build it. It's kind of cool. A lot of moving parts on this whole kit. There are a few things that I got to along the way that were a little difficult, but first, before we get into any of this, I want you to consider subscribing. And if you like this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. And any future videos, that's what you need to do. But don't forget, most importantly, I know I said it once, but if you would, please subscribe and then ring the little bell to be notified when the next video like this drops, because this isn't just going to be a straight build kit, straight build video. It's going to be a full-on customizing, painting, weathering, all of those things. I just ordered last night a new set of scribing chisels from a company in, I'm guessing, Malaysia or Indonesia. I will have to ask the maker, but the company is called Metalworks, and he makes some of the most awesome chisel sets, or scribing sets, or scribing chisels. Yeah, that's what we'll go with. Scribing chisels for the price. We're gonna wait until these come in, and they are going to be solely used on the Strike Freedom to begin with, and it'll be kind of like a review video, but so stay tuned for that. And remember, you gotta subscribe in order to find out when it's gonna drop. Without further ado, let's get cracking.
So I thought I needed. So I thought I needed. Thought I needed. So I thought I needed.
Alright, here it is in all its completed glory. Well, for all the things that I've got, we're still a couple of arms short, and most important, kind of a head. But it's just cameras in the Gunpla, but that's okay. This thing is epic. I built the real grade Strike Freedom, or not the Strike Freedom, the Freedom, and this front part on the hip gun is a two-piece. Well, this kind of slides out here. Pretty neat. These also fold in the back if I don't take them out. Let me fix this. Hold please. So yes, these fold in the back so that you can stick, I don't remember, the instructions say you can stick something here. I think it's the actual hand pistols like that. Woo! But they swivel back around to the side. I showed you the leg articulation in the last video. You've got the cockpit, which you kind of can't see anything. I don't know. You can see the chair in there, and I don't have the pilot in it. But I was kind of disappointed in just that it just slides out. Like I figured it would come out and then up, but it does not. That's neither here nor there. I do like that these vents are three pieces, so you've got the base vent themselves, a grill, and then the outer casing. That is all two separate pieces, or three separate pieces. These vents on the top are all separate pieces as well. I've not got everything completely snapped together because these things go in super easy, and I mean super easy, but they will murder you trying to get them back out. So I'm trying to get them as loosely assembled as possible to where it won't crumble whenever I move it, but also not so tight that I can never get it back apart again without snapping things, because that's the goal. I don't want to snap anything, and I still have to remove some of the gold on this kit. But I will give you a all around. I'm sorry for the crappy lighting. I really need a light that's focusing down this way. I've got the lights down this way. I will get it fixed, I promise. These things move. They darn near have 360 degree. Now I do notice that with these armor plates on here, it does limit the mobility, but I think even with posing, it won't be so bad. I still have plenty of room. And I may just do a final pose for this thing and just let it go. I'm not really sure. I don't want to push too much and play around too much because these things are going to pop off. But look at this. Look at this. You've got a deep panel line and then just open real estate. Like, no. And then look, there's all this beautiful panel lining on the back, which is going to be covered up. Like, why, Bandai? Why would you do this? Why would you make so much awesome, intricate detail that's going to be hidden? And, like, see if I can get these to come off. No, you can't even see it. But on the side here, the main side of the cockpit, there's pipes and all this stuff that's there that will never be seen. Like, most people are going to take this and put it together and be done with it, and that's that. But so, like, there's all this intricate detail that doesn't need to be where it should be, and there's all this intricate detail that isn't where it should be. You get what I'm saying? It's just, whoa! That's a James Dean moment. But it's ridiculous. Like, I don't know, but we're gonna fix that. We are gonna totally fix that. That is coming in future videos. The next video will probably be the head and maybe the arms. I'm gonna try and work on this, but that will be for next Tuesday. I may end up doing like live stream builds or weathering or something. I don't know, since I've already kind of done all the techniques that I wanted to do to show you all. I don't know, but that is for another video. So don't forget, if you like the video, give it a little thumbs up, and if you like this type of content and you want to see more, don't forget to hit the subscribe button, look like this, and ring the little bell that pops up after it to be notified when another video like this drops. But have a good day, guys.